Resetting or recovering a TradingView password depends on whether you are locked out of the account or still signed in and simply want to update your login details. If you cannot sign in, start from the TradingView login screen and choose the option for Forgot Password or Can't Sign In. From there, enter the email address, phone number, or username connected to the account. TradingView will then show the available recovery methods linked to that profile, such as an email link, a phone verification option, or the original social login method if the account was created through another service. This detail matters. If the account was created with Google, Apple, Facebook, or another social login, a normal password reset may not work in the same way because the sign-in is managed through that provider. In that case, it is usually better to try the same login method that was used when the account was created. If you are already signed in and only want to change your password, the process is handled from your profile settings. Open the account settings area, go to the password section, and update the password from there. This is different from recovery because you still have access to the account and are simply changing the credentials. If you no longer have access to the email or phone number connected to the profile, the standard reset process may not be enough. In that case, TradingView provides an account recovery form where additional information may be needed to confirm ownership. That can include account details, billing information, or other information linked to the profile. In short, use the password reset option if you are locked out but still have access to the registered email or phone number. Use profile settings if you are already signed in. If those details are no longer available, the recovery form becomes the next route to restoring access.